go enanga bwotulaba banage twambadde ama white nga bwokiraba tulina AJEF foods ate onako lwalero ye
gamba omusajja omulagire wojja
so go enatwa banage
genda omusajja omugambe bajje kwa mulya pa
tugenda ku boat cruise ate nga tugenda kunyuma kera kuberanga kyakabi nenga kwaneza go enatulaba tambula naffe okuva no nyini pa ku boat cruise tubakuba tulaba balaga ebipya tubala ku sente zaffe omanye kulya sente kuba kola ki tekuba kulya mwana nze Nyondo Rozet nga ndi AJEF gambo tya mama.
Wow, I don't know simanyi kye nyinza kugamba. Kubanga lero lunaku lwange mazalibwa gange naye abantu balaze omukwano nsanyuse
bambadde ama
white gonna gawiddeyo ate base juda bachajja tugenda ku boat cruise ebisigaddeyo tubisange ku boat cruise tulungeko
batusangeyo
batusange bade tubalinze.
Marina, but it's an all-white party. Ya mwana against AJEF Foods. Weekly camera and of course Rozet, Nyondo Media, Erycom in the house. Tuwamune DJ. Wakabigo baita formula.
Tulaba kyobumanya nti musawo oba AJEF Foods aina emikwano egyenjawulo ng'ogyeko bannayuganda ate aina n'abantu okuva mu nsi endala ez'enjawulo so wandigambye nti oba oliawo nti obayise bannayuganda bokka but right here we having people from different countries so that means really she's making friends so I'm going to be interacting with them one by one then they'll have to say something about this lady how they met her and why they decided to come to her party so I'm starting with a beautiful lady right here. How are you, my darling?
Hi, good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
How do you get to know this lady, AJEF Foods?
I know her through our boss, Okutambula. Yeah.
Okay. Anything you can say about this lady ever since you met her? How is she?
I just see that she's nice. Yeah, she's a nice lady. Yeah, I like her very well.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my. You know, sometimes like us Ugandans, someone would have said, no, this one is a Ugandan, so I shouldn't attend her party. What really influenced you to come and really attend her party?
I just feel like coming.
You feel like coming?
Yeah.
Simply because you love her?
Yeah. No, because I love her so much.
Thank you so much. I can see a brother here. Bro, are you married?
Yes. I'm married.
I'm so much disappointed. Can you imagine I'm a single lady?
Wow.
I'm married.
You're married?
Yeah.
You took me to Nigeria and I get someone from there? You give me my brother?
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
And I'm serious, I'm not joking.
I'm serious too. I'll give you my brother.
Okay, I must take your number.
No problem.
Okay, so you said you're married, eh? How are you doing, boss?
Fine.
You're fine.
Yeah.
How do you get to know this lady?
Yeah, I know it through my brother.
Through your brother.
So since I met her, she has been a good sister to me. We are so close. We thought we have known for like 15 years. And we just met like 3 weeks ago. Yeah.
Something I like on Nigerians, you are so cooperative. You are so loving. This one, I know it very well. Since she said I'll get married to her brother, she'll get me her brother. Really, I do accept that. Thank you so much. So I'll go to the. No, this boss will be the last one for the. Okay, sis, how are you doing?
I'm good, I'm fine.
You're looking so beautiful. How do you make it?
Oh, just keep smiling and be good to yourself.
Seriously?
Yeah, you love yourself.
How you
Always love yourself.
Oh, how are you doing right now?
I'm fine.
You're really fine.
Yeah.
How do you get to know this lady?
I met her through my uncle, Otumba.
Oh, all of you through him?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
Do you like her or is forcing you to like her simply because he likes her?
No, because she loves my country, so I love her.
Seriously?
She told me she's looking for someone to adopt her in Nigeria, and I love her.
Seriously?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're
my
welcome,
dear.
my darling.
I can see this one is very young. He's even younger than me.
Baby.
Baby girl, how are you doing, my dear? You're fine. You're coming as well from Nigeria. I personally love Nigeria. You know, sometimes I do watch Nigerian movies and I feel like going crazy. I feel like getting a man from there.
You're ready to
Wait, let me ask you something. By the way.
If you're ready, you get one in Nigeria.
Let me ask you something. You know, I've been watching Nigerian movies and I see this guy so much caring, they're loving. Is it in reality or is it simply because in the movie just pretending Nigerian guys?
Nigerian guys are cute, especially the Yoruba demons. They are cute. We call them the demons.
Are you serious?
Yes, they're cute.
Are they really loving or you're just pretending the movies?
I am not. This is one standing here. This is another one standing here.
But now he's married.
Right. They are not married, but we have lots of single guys out there.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Okay, straight away we're going to
The
boss. I don't know how to greet him. Should I go on my knees? What should I say?
Ekaleo. Say ekaleo.
Ekaleo. Ekaleo, Baba. Can you have this, please? How are you doing, Baba? Are you really looking fine? Are you really fine, doing fine? Okay, now you're the best person or the right person to tell us how you met this lady and tell us more about her, how you found her, how she is to you, who she is to you. We might not be knowing, maybe there is something when we don't know. Okay, let us be real.
Okay.
Who is she to you and how do you find her? How do you meet her?
Anyway, it's a long story, but let me just cut it short. First of all, my name is Okutambula Johnson.
Yeah.
I know Agnes since 2012, over 10 years now. We've been business partner. She has been a sister. So, and one thing I know about her, she's an honest person, a person with dignity. That's why for so long we've been keeping our friendship for a long time. Whatever she wants to do, she normally calls me, so I advise her. So I take her as a daughter as well, as a sister. So no matter we are different from different country, but that doesn't matter. When you see someone that is that is honest. Anything she's doing, and she's an hardworking lady. One thing I know about her, she's very hardworking.
Okay. Thank you so much.
She invited me today, so I have to come with my people to honor her. That's why they come with me to show love.
Okay. You know, there's some people who really think they have to associate with only countrymen. You know, someone says, I'm a Ugandan, therefore I have to be dealing with only Ugandans. I'm a Nigerian, therefore I have to be only dealing with Nigerians. What do you tell to those people? What do you say to those people who think they should only associate with people from their countries?
Yeah, like me, I'm married to an Ethiopian lady. I'm not married from Nigeria. I'm married from outside.
Are you for real?
Yeah. My wife is from Ethiopia.
And is it accepted? Is it accepted?
Why not? We have three kids already. We have 3 kids. 3 lovely kids. Now, so we met here. So what I'm trying to say, anywhere you find love, no matter how the person from, so that doesn't. The country does not matters.
No matter the race, no matter the country, the color, no matter the language, we all the same. Being created by one God. I love Nigerians so much. And I'm waiting for my honey, for my sweet sisters. Okay, thank you so much, my brothers and sisters. Love you so much. Okay,
we love you too.
Okay, please. Yeah, bye.
kitegeeza buli kimu akikola ki bwemba najja mu Emirates mu 2008 okukola ekivulu wabanga omusajja ng'omuyita Medi Bombo ngabo kyabagita Club Submarine mami onampa visa y'okubiri kitegeeza nti ategeera buli kimu
Erycom nga bwefudda ategeera nnyo Dubai okusinga ffe abagirimu
nedda tubadde wano mu vibe n'abaana bano nga tunyumyanyumya yemu aba Nyondo Media
yefe abanyona media.
Yo, what's good? Nze Erycom live ku Marina Haberboat ndine Nyondo Media Rozet wali wiki omulabako
yali ku kamera already.
wiki yali ku kamera
omwana oyo yava Uganda nga tanza tukuba omuziki
nga wallahi
simanyi gye byaggwera naye singa wiki yali asobodde okudda sayidi yeeno netunako wano bwenti mugundi wano light nemanga
alabika asobola byonna bitegeera
bitambula bite
byonna si bubi wadde n'akamu n'akatono naye libadde essanyu lyange nawe okusisinkanako wano eno kubanga kibadde ekirooto kyange ekyokola kyamaanyi watukuba omuziki nga kyatukuba omuziki tukkiriza tewala takkiriza bantu bavunnama nakati bakyavunnama okitegeera
omuziki nagukuba naye nengukendeezaamu natuuka time nga ndaba ebisinga mikozi nkubye omuziki okuva mu 2008 paka kati omwaka gwe tulimu bweba ndi mu 2022 emyaka 14 kati ekye nakola nalina aim yange nalina mission yange nti ngenda kuba omuziki for 10 years ndekera abaana mu 10 years Rozet walina emyaka emeka 10 years back walina emyaka emeka
10 years back nalina emyaka 15
bw'oba walina emyaka 15 10 years back kitegeeza nti ompuliridde emyaka 10 omwana eyali 10 years emabega omwana eyali 15 years emabega kati ali 25 bw'aba akuza mpulira kiba kyabulyaza amaanyi anyonza okusigala mu music kubanga omwana oyo yayinza okuba neyakula ayagala kubeera DJ kati bwe nsigalawo mba muziyiza obutakola ki obutafuna chance so nasawo nengamba kanzireke ebbali abaana abalala bakole ki
nabo batigire over
wakakisawo Rozet singa nemera mu music omwana olimba simuwadde chance kuyitawo ofuna bulungi mba simuwadde chance kuyitawo kati omwana oyo bajja kujja bagambe nti Erycom tukuwa emitwalo tukuwa $2 million okuba ekivulu nja zikwata kati waliyo omuntu agenda okujja agambe Erycom tugenda kuwa emitwalo 5 kakati gwe ojja nongamba kino Erycom ngenda kuwa emitwalo 5 okuba ekivulu nga mu myaka 10 emabega nafunako emitwalo 5 ate 10 years after ope emitwalo 5 omanye njo kukola njagamba nenda thank you so much okusobola okupa emitwalo 5 you know DJ Ivan Wolo
akifitinga
Ivan kubanga ye atanulwoga muwa
asanyuka ate tukyali class tukyali level you above
yes ndi above tukirize Ivan ayinza okuba kati ku level asinga okuba ebidombo kubanga technology akyuka nete kijja wonti nabikola ki kati muwadde chance Ivan akole ki
naye ayingire
kwanza emitwalo 5 bompadde siga fitinga Ivan atagakola ki kitegeeza nti muwadde chance ayitewo nesinga alikoze ki bwense wendi nnyo
bamuyise DJ Erycom akaseera ako nga tewali oluyimba lufuluma teluliko DJ Erycom etuvibinga netuzina netunyumira naye oli w'amaanyi
mukama w'amaanyi naye
erinnya lyabuuminga ate nga likyabuuminga
kyebaliza Katonda
wulidde
kyebaliza Katonda
ayakuliranye yaani
omwami ono bamuyita Ivan buli nsi gyentambulamu nsi singa ntambula naye
kyogamba abeesinga Uganda
Ivan abeera Uganda
nje naye
buli nsi gye ŋŋendamu
akola ngaani ku sayidi yo
Ivan sagala mwabala banyondo media muloze nti nakwata nsawo yange nedda Ivan
bagala kusala omugambo kyomanya
Ivan bwe kimanye tuliwembeera kati sawa notugeze nti basetinze da sound Ivan banyondo okutuma nti genda olaba bakoze eki basetinze ntuuse ewantu neerabiddeyo essimu yange waba bali mu kunkubira bugirlfriend bunkubira kitegeera Rozet oneetaaga Ivan ajja gikola ki
agikwata kumuyitaani
secretary
assistant wo Ivan anga mubuka wa tabo nnyo Ivan ogamba ki
njakuwa enamba
abana jakonzita so nenga tuyenza DJ Erycom aliyo kyaliyekwa nava ku bantu mpola mpola something I'm learning from you ekintu kyoyogedde ekyo kulekerawo ku baana abato nabo ne babeerawo kyamanyi eri abantu balemerako olina agamba nti teri ansinga nakaddiwira mu nakanya ku kadiwa naye ngagamba si kita
saagala kwera nga Museveni Museveni mugaga naye akiremeddeko ayingiddewo anti onokoya buli nsi etambulira ku politics ensonga lwaki tuwera ku Marina Boat era politics mwali wakasengasi politics tuliyo naye kale nja kubeyongeza amuleke mulamuse ku bantu Ivan naye abayiko kyabagamba lwakuba omusajja musirise talina bigambo bwatyo
talina kyakubagamba
kale nyamu nayinza okunkyazaako
kale DJ Erycom nga tukyali ku birthday party ya AJEF tulaba abantu ab'enjawulo teyayise bannayuganda bokka wabula yayise n'abantu ab'enjawulo naye nga bwolaba it's a white party abantu banyumye nga bw'okiwulira AJEF kamwenyini ali mu white nkosi zange neesaze white abaana bonna bali mu white ono mukyala AJEF muyita otya?
Oh my God, she's a friend to Adam birthday. She's a sweet darling in Dubai, you know.
Seriously?
Your mama was at Dubai.
Mom.
Yeah, she's a darling. Is it?
Akunganya abantu buli omu ayambye nnyo abantu mu Dubai. She deserves everything. Blessings to her. Happy birthday, my friend. So kind, soft spoken, lovely. I wish her all the best. In fact, I wish her Burj Khalifa in Uganda.
You know? Let me say something. This is too much. Even Mzee himself hasn't constructed it yet.
Yeah, but
isn't that big, really?
Isn't she deserves that? She deserves it.
Okay, Wabanga Burj Khalifa is too big. Denmark Heights, one of the buildings.
Are you serious?
Musawo wange mukwano gwaffe nnyo yatujjanjaba nnyo natufumbira ne ku luwombo nfumbe mulungi atukolera cakes era tumuwishinga happy birthday to our beautiful Musawo, many more years of happiness and more bliss.
Thank you. Someone is telling me here, please, mpitako buyisi. Ate jalanye ebintu ebyonooneza sosobola kuyitako. N'oba ofootya. Mulengere.
I can feel blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight.
Aina visa ke nala bye duwangu. Aya wali mukunkwata. Aina visa ya kabye. Empisa wo ni wamu. Wamulabyeko.
Ono ya mchala pauze. Ujakola nebisango alero ngakuli.
Era nayo abimanyi.
Alichegera.
Yeye Marina. Nyondo Media.
Okay dear, thank you so much. So
Mazima.
Gowe natulaba bulijjo njogera muchala Fauzi. Nganjogera muchala Doni Fauzi. Nganjogera muchala Doni. Mbadde ngambyogera mashimi. Tata shimi. Naye nga temumumanyi era nga tajjanga ku Nyondo Media. Unakola olwaleero yono andisa mu boy so temungamba ataka namba mashimi ajabatta. Tata shimi. Assalamu alaykum.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Nango bado atoyokoeka tata shimi no ino omusango gyendi.
Ali muna emirimu gy'enfuga naye leero era ongwisiza onkwatiriza nga ni mikolo gya birthday ya mwanyinaffe musawo nengamba leero konkwasiriza mutuufu nga nina okuwa obudde mbukuma mbandyaza amaanyi
mama shimi omuleseewa
abangawo nnyo ku kido
gamba wallahi
mullo
basi namulaba
wali abangawo nnyo ku kido nze nkakasa aye soogera bitaliiyo olabanga nvudde gye nvudde n'enzija omanya naye abaawo ku kido abaawo ku kido naye abaawo bonna naye baali ku kido ize
naye nga babadde kutukumira mu kyalo oyo kasobola mami shimi atumiriddewo nnyo nga Nyondo Media nawe Doni Fauzi tukwebaza support gye twanga oyita mami shimi tukweyanza obale nnyo bwe balire era Doni Fauzi very soon tugenda kulaba kagundi ka charity ka Nyondo Media. Nda kusalako
bonna bonjagalira kati wendi kwali mbadde n'ebimpuba ubanga mbeera ntambula mbeera wano nga settling naye kati wendi nayingiddewo kati wendi nnyonyo bonjagalira wonna wendi Nyondo Media wendi ate mangu namwenda mbagala nnyo aba following Nyondo Media bantu wengere omwagala omukyalo ono mulungi nnyo talina buzibu ate ebintu byakola biri kwalaali mullo.
Toyanziza taata sijja kwogeza nyuma y'eshimyezo okumuza lwaki Rozet lwaki omwami wange omubuuza ebyo
era nze yatera okunjogerera sometimes olaba wembeera wali nyajje abangawo nnyo andi omulaba
alayo sabudde anyiganyige naye ng'olabise bulungi mumakinga mufiitinga
ogambye
so wenna tuli ku mukolo oba ku birthday ye AJEF
ate twakutandise dda tuli mu mukolo gwenyini munda tewaliwo omulala tubamuvaayi naye ngayo omulaba
omulegedde
ateze
okay so toyanza mikwano bange zaka tweyongereyo
Simple on the beats.
Weebaza ku mugaati ogw'omulembe era omuwoomu ddala lowooza ku Baker's Choice Bread okukolebwa banno ba Baker's Choice Bakery. Bano bakola ne cakes eza buli kika omuli ez'amazaalibwa, keeki z'embaga, keeki z'okwanjula, baby shower cakes, graduation cakes, donut mu bika eby'enjawulo, burger bread, loaf bread, amandaazi, daddies n'ebintu ebirala bingi. Kubako noti 7 noti 3 9 1 7 2 oba noti 7 noti 8 2 3 6 9 oba plus 9 7 5 8 9 9 8 2 Baker's Choice Bakery. Taste the Baker's Choice.
Welcome to the evening of the unforgettable desert adventure. I'm Denise from Speed Express Tours and Travel. Today we'll be talking about the desert safari because no trip or journey to Dubai is complete without the desert safari. Having desert safari makes you explore the beauty of Dubai.
Taking you to the majestic desert of Dubai in the evening, which is the best time to explore the desert, as the desert starts to cool to welcome the moonlight, and we will show you the best of the desert life like no other.
The tour also features activities like barbecue, camel rides, sandboarding, quad bikes, traditional tea, buffet dinner, and more.
After all the actions and the adventures, enjoy a relaxing time tasting dates and traditional tea. So escape the busy city life for a while and enjoy the brilliancy of the barren land, Dubai Desert Safari.
Speed Express, dream, explore, discover.
So today, I'm gonna unveil for you something you've been looking for, what we call the Nyondo Gleam. I don't want to explain so much, just take a close look at this woman. Look at her skin, glamouriously. I don't want to say much about that, but if you want to get yourself to look just like her, do me a favor, just inbox her and she'll get you the product at your doorstep.
Yep. And ekizigo kyaffe twerusa go natulaba wabula tukolera kalayo nobeera ngulabika bulungi bade kulagulawenga mukono glawenga oba kulateninga mukatono no lighteninga muko katono just nga wero kyagadde oyina pimples oyina zino black spots mu face yo ogala zivemu tukolera ekyo kyenyini kyobero yagala tu contacting efe abanyondo gleam ngoyita ku number esimu 0524680778 ekyo kino naddi.
Well, amangu dalanga tumaze wanene ichime change n'abasajja bagala sigala mukala ya munga teyuluse nengo labika bulungi.
Yeah.
Tosula mukisa guno.
Thank you so much.
All right, welcome.